2001 Mercury Grand Marquis. I used to have one of these cars too. It was white though. I think mine was a 2004. But anyways, it's got 4 catalytic converter on it, factory, which are like overkill in my opinion. But you know, that's how they come. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then what we did, muffler delete on both sides. So basically it's true dual straight pipe with an H. And then it's got the dreaded tailpipes that take all the sound away with all these bends. And it's got 2 resonators, one here and one here. There's the other tailpipe. And there's where we deleted the 2 mufflers, there and there. There's the original mufflers that came on. They look like, I don't know, barbecue grills, kind of. But that's what they are. What do you guys think? Tell us what you think in the comments. How you like the sound of it and the look of it. I think it looks phenomenal. I hope you guys do too. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Again? Sound decibels again? Around 94, not too bad. You'll hear it more when you get on it, you know? Sitting still is not that loud. It's not bad though. For a Grand Marquis, dude, you can't beat it.
Yeah.
But it's also got 2 mufflers in the back. They're called resonators. They take some of the sound away too. So that's the next thing. If you want them cut off, that's the next thing you need to cut off. If you want them louder. Let you guys hear on the inside. Marquis. What do you guys think? Let us know. Not bad for a muffler delete. It's not bad. I like it. 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. Beautiful car. Got 4 converters there and there. Then an H pipe factory, and then we put some Flow FX by Flowmaster, 1 on each side. Deleted the original mufflers there and there. Then Y pipes, and we put some Marauder tips on it there and there with custom hangers. Let you guys see it. 4-inch tips. Come out really clean, really beautiful car. He's still working on it, so he's going to make it full Marauder. He's going to get a Coyote motor in it to put in it, custom. Let you guys hear it in a second. That's what you want. Not too loud, not too quiet. I like it. Sound decibels? About 101. Perfect. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. The look is perfect, man. I like it. Those are 4-inch tips, by the way. That's why they fill up that gap really nicely. Yeah. Oh, that's clean. I like it. Look, here it is up on the side. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2005 Mercury Grand Marquis. What we got done on it for you today. It's got factory 4 converters, there and there. Then we true dualed it all the way back and keep going and back all the way into 4-inch rolled tips, there and there. If you don't think that looks pretty, you don't know. I don't know what planet you guys are living on. It's beautiful, absolutely magnificent, with those 4-inch tips right there. There it is, true dualed all the way back. This is what we cut off of it right there. The muffler and Y pipe setup, right? See my finger? There. All right, I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sound decibels. Again. 112, bro. Wow, that's not bad. This guy muffler, can you hold, please? Mercury Grand Marquis. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Grand Marquis Beast.